Welcome to my How to Apply Your Color Street Nail Strips application video. Before you start, make sure that you have cleaned your nail beds and your fingertips with an alcohol swab. Then you select your nail strip, the one that fits the best for each of your fingernails. Each set comes with 16 nail strips of 8 different sizes. So pick the one that best fits your nails. To begin, pull the peach tab away from the nail strip. Then you want to pull the nail strip away from the paper by gently pulling on the silver tab. You can grab the nail strip in the center so you have a good leverage with it. Then you take it and you place it right next to your skin, not on it, but right next to it. If it's not how you want it, you can gently pull it up and reposition it. These nail strips are 95% dry, they're 100% nail polish, so they're pretty pliable. You just rub it down, rub out all the air bubbles and crinkles, and get it nice and smooth. And then you'll see that you have quite a bit extra for your next nail. So you want to be gentle with that and not wrinkle it too much so that you can use it again on your other hand. So you're going to gently take your thumbnail and perforate, just kind of rub it against, press it, against your nail and perforate that so that it comes off nice and easy. So you're going to gently pull it away in a downward motion, just like that. Then to use that on your next nail on your other hand, then you're going to gently pull the silver tab off and set it aside. And position that on the same finger of the opposite hand that you just did. On this hand, I purposely put it over my skin so I can show you how to get it off of your skin. It is really easy. So again, you just rub it down, rub. And there you go. So you gently push the skin to perforate the nail strip away from the other part of the nail strip, and it will gently scrape away. See, easy peasy. You just rub it down, continue to rub it down, and then you're going to take your thumbnail again and perforate it again. And you can gently wrap it underneath your nail right there so that it stays down on the sides. Just very gently. That little middle piece, if you had a child who was doing the nails with you, you could use that on their nails or on your toenails. Either way. Looks good, except for there's a little bit on my skin right there, so I'm going to perforate that and peel it away. Super simple. I'm showing you my thumb because I want to emphasize the fact that I do my thumbs very last because I use my thumbs as my tools. I don't want to mess them up. And I'm also going to show you how I use the cuticle stick to perforate it at the end rather than my thumb that's already done. So just rub it down, and then you take the cuticle stick and perforate it just like you did with your thumbnail, only this time using the stick. Just be gentle and gently get that off of there, and it comes right off. And voila, you have beautiful nails. Thanks for watching.